Let's go, everyone. Today I'm unboxing my favorite pair of shoes. These are the OG UltraBoost in size 9.5. 1.0 UltraBoost shoes. These are the very first ones that started it all. Wow. Nice black color up top. Love the purple and the gold right here. These are the very first colorways for UltraBoost. So really nice gold up here. Get a pair of these every couple of years when my when my pair gets a little too old. So got these off of StockX. Shout out to StockX. All right, check out the other pair. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Looks good. Excited to wear these. Cool. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, so the soles, these are the soles, say Boost. These are from 2020. Check out this sole. Yep, there you have it. Let me know what you think of the OG UltraBoost in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. I got a lot more shoes coming up, $10 guys. So if you're into shoes, stick around, follow, stick around. All right, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Take care. Later.